Hello viewers and welcome back to favorite baking channel, Baking with Chef Tonde. In this episode I'm going to show you quickly, after resting your dough for 10 minutes, then you can scale it when you are making your bread. So the first stage is to mix your ingredients together and form dough. You knead and form dough. Then after forming your dough, you rest your dough for 10 minutes just to give it a rest. Then after that you work it out into different shapes and sizes. And today, as promised from our previous episode, I'm going to make a giant brown bread loaf. So it will be a kilo, because normal bread is like 800 grams, so that it will give you an after bake weight of 750, which is normally an ordinary and normal loaf of bread. So here is our dough. It's well rested. So now we're going to scale it and then roll it, and I will show you how to roll bread. So my brown bread, I want it to be as healthy as it can get. So I will use my palette knife. So I will scale, I think, a kilo 1.2 kilo of dough will be enough for my big shape. So what I will do, so my scale is small, so what I will do, I'll put 1.1, then I'll take 100 grams here, which is this one. So I have leftover dough, and I will use it for something else. Just put it away, put it in the fridge just to keep it safe. So what I do, I will roll my bread, loaf of bread. So how do you roll your bread? So it will be like this. So this is our 1.2 kilo. So we must be able to get a giant loaf after proving. It must be able to fill this big shape. It's 1.2. So I'm going to roll the bread. What you do, you take your dough, you take all the air out. So when you are rolling bread, you don't just take and make a shape and put, because you need your loaf of bread to have a structure. When you cut a slice, you must see the structure, those swirling structure, those swirls, that structure that you see, that those shapes, you must be able to see them. But how do you make them? You make them by the way you roll your bread. So you take it and you spread it, you take all the excess air out. Then you take your corners out, then you fold it in. You roll your bread, you roll your bread in like this. Then take out, make your corners nice, just like this. Then this is your loaf. Then you put in your shape. But what I want to do, I want to make use of oats, because I have oats. No one is eating them here, so I have to make use of them. So I want my bread to be. So what do? You just spread. Then you take your loaf of bread, you roll it, you roll your oats over, just like this. Then you put it into your shape, just like this. So our loaf of bread is ready for proving for 25 to 30 minutes. Then we will take it out and bake for 30 minutes at 230 degrees with steam. This is bread with steam. So this is all for now. See you when our bread is up and ready for baking. This is proving for 25 to 30 minutes. Then when it's up, it will be ready for baking. See you, your resident chef signing out. See you later.